Bawat araw ay mayroon tayong hinaharap na mga pagsubok. We had to choose the right path to fight our battles with. A lot of pressure comes in our life. We forgot on how to smile and how to be happy genuinely. Sometimes we think kung bakit habang tayo ay patanda ng patanda, napaisip tayo na lalong lumulungkot pala ang buhay natin. We sometimes wish or think to go back when we are young, na naglalaro tayo sa putikan where there is a magical and painless life. Sa bawat pagsubok sa buhay, huwag kang matakot. May karamay tayo. Our life is not easy. It's full of ups and downs to work on. But sometimes, we also need to take a break from it. We need a time to unwind and relax. Pahinga ka lang, tas laban lang ulit. Huwag kang susuko. Our life is full of circles. Enjoy mo lang ang bawat hamon ng buhay. Don't rush. There's always a perfect timing for everything. My great taste white, nagpapagaan ng iyong buhay.